Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the grain option in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your videos or projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one that you if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that video that you would like to edit. I'm going to show you in this one. And now on the bottom of the screen you should see the first option is edit. Click on it. Now scroll to the right until you see the adjust option, and the last one from this list is the grain option. Click on it, and now by moving this bar here you can set this up, and when you are done just click on that check mark option, on the bottom of the screen right corner, or if you change your mind you can click on the reset, and it will undo all your adjustments to this clip. Click on the confirm, or there is the apply to all option, which means that your setting will be applied to all of your clips, not just this one. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.